what email platform you use. They want to do 4 to 10 emails a year and 200 to 500 recipients. Send some fast card coupons. Monica, I assume you guys do some pretty heavy marketing. Do you mind sharing like what you use?
Yeah, I'll have to check with my husband on what we use in the laundry business. But for my financial coaching practice, I use Constant Contact. It's like $50 a month, and I have like 1,200 contacts, and I send out a monthly newsletter that way. I also think if you are looking for cost savings, MailChimp is another free
Mhm.
service. It's a little less user friendly, I think, than Constant Contact, but it does both of those have integrations with other software that may help with getting your contacts into the programs. So those are two possibilities. I think there's a lot of I think there's a lot of software out there depending on what point of sale you use. And if you are using things for lead generation, that can also help you with that. We have a point of sale, and I know that they get like text messages when their orders are ready or when they've been delivered and things like that. So I don't know if we use that system to email, so I'll have to check on that, but I can get back to you, Britt.
I was gonna say text message marketing has been really successful in things that I've worked with in the past, just because most people go email blind. I'm a victim of that. If I get too many emails from you, I will not pay attention. But text messaging, that gets layered into everybody else. So if you like send discount codes or something like that, it's actually, I think, more cheaper and it's easier to manage. So and you get the same kind of statistics, who opened, who clicked through, so you get to track the success rate too. So I would consider text message marketing as well, Britt.
And how do you collect that, or
So
what
it could be as
platform do you use to
simple
send that?
as maybe you create a free QR code and say you want to stay in touch with us. Click here through the QR code, which will take them to the platform. Or if you have your own website, Easy Texting gave you the dump and run code. I just copied code from that, put it on our website so they could sign up on my website or a Facebook ad, and they sign up for it and they can opt in, opt out. A little bit easier to manage.
But then how do you send it?
So it's just like a software. You log into Easy Texting, say, okay, I want to do a
Okay.
mass mailing to blah, 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 blah. And you can segment them
It's called
too. Like
easy texting.
Easy Texting is one that I used, yes, for
Okay,
in my past life.
sure. Yeah, I have
I
Fast Card, and Fast Card does some texting, but not the emailing. And I thought they did, and I've been telling customers since my conversion that I'd be emailing them coupon codes because I used to snail mail coupon codes, and
Mm,
that is so expensive. I
yes.
used to mail them
and it's
actual coupons. I
expensive.
got paper coupons.
Yeah, expensive
But
and
and then
yeah,
half of them come back because apartment life means a lot of people that you're moving a lot.
Right.
right.
Not half. I exaggerate. Like a 10% come back. It's a lot of stamps.
Yeah, and I'm seeing, I know Amanda said it and Monica, the thing about email, besides people not paying attention, they can end up in spam. Whereas text, everyone is looking, at their phone constantly.